Cellulite affects more than 85% of women, representing all shapes and sizes. It is most common in the thighs, but it can also be present on the legs, buttocks or stomach. Cellulite is made up of free-floating fat cells that are deposited just beneath the skin. It has a distinct appearance, like the dimpled surface of an orange peel or cottage cheese. Hormones, genetics, and an unhealthy lifestyle are the top causes of cellulite. You need to get rid of cellulite as soon as it appears because it tends to get worse with age. Many effective techniques can slow the occurrence and minimize the appearance of cellulite in the thighs. To manage cellulite, try some of these simple and easy home remedies. 1. Dry brushing. Dry brushing is one of the simplest ways to get rid of cellulite in your thighs. Although several people attest to its effectiveness, it is not backed by scientific evidence. The process of dry brushing improves blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, and removes the buildup of toxins from body. Plus, it is believed that the improved blood flow to the skin makes it appear plump, thus reducing the appearance of cellulite. 1. Before beginning, make sure your skin and the brush are both dry. 2. Gently brush from your feet up to your shoulders, focusing more on areas with the most cellulite. Remember to brush from left to right side of the body and keep the brushing movements concentrated toward the heart to encourage blood circulation. 3. Do this dry brushing for about 5 minutes. 4. Finally, shower to wash away the dead skin cells and impurities. 5. Do this once daily before taking a shower for a few months or until you notice improvement in your skin texture. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a fat-burning food. It has the ability to naturally heat up the body, increase blood circulation and boost metabolism. Plus, it helps get rid of bad skin cells and replace them with strong healthy cells. In addition, regular consumption of cayenne pepper can help eliminate toxins from the body and reduce the appearance of cellulite in the thighs. 1. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and fresh squeezed juice from 1 lemon to a glass of warm water and mix it well. 2. Drink the cellulite detox drink once or twice daily for 1 or 2 months. 3. Coffee grounds. Coarse coffee grounds can be used as an exfoliating scrub to remove dead skin cells and regenerate new, healthy cells. Plus, drinking coffee will help increase blood circulation. Mix together 1/4 cup of coffee grounds, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil to form a paste. Take a little bit of this paste and massage the affected skin with it for several minutes using firm pressure. Finally, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy 2 or 3 times a week until you get the desired results. You can store the excess in a glass jar for future use. Alternatively, you can prepare a wrap with coffee and olive oil. Heat 1/2 cup of coffee grounds and a little extra virgin olive oil in the microwave for 20 seconds. Spread the warm mixture on the cellulite and cover it with plastic wrap. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Do this twice a week until you see improvement. 4. Juniper oil. Juniper oil has detoxifying properties and can help reduce fluid retention, thus effectively reducing cellulite. 1. Mix 10 to 15 drops of juniper oil in 1/4 cup of olive oil. 2. Massage the mixture on the affected area for 10 minutes. 3. Do this twice daily. After a month, you will notice your skin is softer and firmer. 5. Seaweed. A natural exfoliating agent, seaweed stimulates blood circulation, improves skin texture and flushes harmful toxins from the body. This in turn helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. Mix together 3 tablespoons of ground seaweed, easily available at health stores, 1/4 cup each of sea salt and extra virgin olive oil, and a few drops of any kind of essential oil. Massage a little bit of this mixture on the affected area for 10 minutes before taking a shower. After showering, apply moisturizer. Follow this remedy once daily for several weeks. You can store excess mixture in a mason jar for future use. Alternatively, you can take seaweed baths to reduce cellulite. Add 4 sheets of seaweed to your bathtub filled with lukewarm water. Soak in it for 20 minutes. Do this twice a week for the maximum benefit. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help get rid of cellulite due to the presence of minerals, potassium, magnesium, and calcium in it. All these elements play a key role in flushing out toxins and water retention around the thighs and stomach. This in turn reduces bloating and cellulite. Plus, apple cider vinegar also helps you lose weight, and less fat means fewer cellulite pockets. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. If you like, add a bit of honey. Rub the solution on the affected areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Follow this treatment twice daily until you get the desired results. Alternatively, mix apple cider vinegar and water in equal parts, and rub it on the affected area. Then wrap the area with plastic wrap and put a warm towel over it for 1 hour. Finally, remove the wrap and rinse the area with lukewarm water. Do this once daily until you get rid of your cellulite completely. You can also mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey, and drink it 2 times a day on a regular basis.